In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add terms and conditions on Wix. To begin, open your Wix editor so you can access the area where your website pages and design settings are managed. This is where you will create the page for your terms and then connect it to your site footer so visitors can find it easily. Once you are inside the editor, go to the left-hand sidebar and click on Pages and Menu. This section lets you manage the pages that appear on your site. From there, click Add Page to create a brand new page. When the new page appears, name it Terms and Conditions. Giving the page a clear and standard name helps visitors understand exactly what the page contains, and it also keeps your site organized. After creating the page, you will need to add the actual terms content. To do that, click Add Elements. Then choose a text element and drag it onto the page. Place it where it fits best within the layout. Once the text box is on the page, paste your terms and conditions content directly into it. Make sure the text is readable and neatly arranged. If needed, you can adjust the spacing and size so the page looks clean and professional. Next, go down to the footer area of your site in the Wix editor. The footer is a common place for important legal links because it stays easy to find across the website. In the footer, add a text element and type Terms and Conditions. Then highlight that text so you can turn it into a clickable link. With the text selected, click the link icon in the text toolbar. When the linking options appear, choose Page. Then select the Terms and Conditions page you just created. This connects the footer text directly to that page, making it simple for visitors to open and review your terms whenever they need to. Before you finish, take a moment to check that the link is connected to the correct page and that the page title appears properly. This quick review can help you avoid small mistakes before your site goes live. Once everything looks good, publish your site. Publishing makes the new page and footer link visible to your visitors. That covers everything you need to know.